advice to Sam's problem. Dear Sam, life is a journey where sometimes we're going to face a lot of problems. As we walk along the way, we may face different troubles in life, but yet, at the end, we should see that we still manage to survive. And here is one problem to solve, for you to solve. Regarding this matter, there is one experience, based, one of my groupmates has the same experience like Sam had. So here's a letter. But I did manage to survive everything. The only thing that I can advise to you is to talk to your father as well as to your stepsisters and your step-siblings. And tell them everything you want to say regarding the thing that bothers you much. Living with your stepmother and stepsisters is not an easy task. But you need to deal with them and you need to adjust for you to live a better life. You must think for your father's good because he chooses you. I'm no longer reading a letter. Because he chooses you and he chooses them to be with you and for you to have also company, because he knows that living alone is not really a very good idea. So your father decided to ask somebody's help, that is your stepmother, to live with you in order for you to have a complete family as well. So Sam, one advice is for you also to pray, to ask God for you to understand everything that might come along your way. And at the end, I know that in everything that you will be facing, you will still manage to survive, and at the end,